Filadelfiyaga kelgan odam Samarqand oshini yemasdan ketishi bu vashsha xato. Samarqandliklar bormi? Samarqand Steak House'ga keldik. Tanishim oshini yeb ko'rgan, vashsha zo'r deb maqtagan edi. Qani, ko'ramiz. Xo'p. Ichkarini ko'ramiz. Zo'r. Menülar. Hozir oshni yeb obzorini aytib Joy chotki. Hi, so yeah, table for two, please. All right, thank you. İngilizce de polmuyor. Lekin urusda ko'p ekan. Thank you so much. Menyular o'zi bu steak house, bu yerda steaklar qilishadi, har xil. Ko'ramiz. Lekin biz osh yeyishga keldik. Hamma narsa pashti bor ekan. So, can we order a plow, please?
Yes.
Yes, 2 plow with pie and everything on it, and achchu salad, and then the chalop, okay? Chalop, and that's it.
Do you need a bread?
No, just a half bread or small like bread. Thank you.
Anything to drink?
Hop. Свежий салат, non keldi. Chalop. Спасибо. Hop, va nihoyat oshimiz keldi. Ko'rinishi vashsha zo'r. 64-66 so'm. Yomon emas narxlar. Tak. 15%. Thank you so much. That was
Would you like the copy of your
delicious.
receipt?
No, thank you so much.
Have a great day.
It was a great food. Thank you. Xullas, ovqatlanib bo'ldik. Gap yo'q, zo'r joy ekan.